Hey guys, welcome back to another video, and in this video I will show you how you can transfer or send money from your bank account to the Krak app. So let's get started. Now first off, to send money on your Krak account, you would need to tap on this plus icon right here in the middle of the footer menu, and then select the deposit option, this one right here. From there, just go ahead and select deposit cash. Then you would need to select the currency that you will be depositing. So because I'm in the EU, I will be selecting euros. Next up, you have two different options for a deposit from your bank account. So you have either a first option, which is SEPA, and that's instant without any fees, and then you have using the Swift banking system, which has a €3 fee. So I will go ahead and select the first one because it's free, and then you will get your bank account information, that being your Krak app bank account, which is integrated in your Krak profile. So here you have all the information about the bank account that you would need to have to make a deposit. So what you would need to do next is just copy this information and then input it into your bank app as a recipient. So I can't record my bank app, unfortunately, because it would just be a black screen. But essentially what you would need to do is just copy this information, go to your banking app and select send, then just input the information from here as a recipient. And it will be just like a normal bank transfer from a bank to bank, because you have all the banking information right here. And then depending which method you selected, it can take up to 5 business days to arrive onto your Krak account. But essentially guys, that's all you need to have to transfer money to your Krak account. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.